us, we need water when we go to the toilet.
Yeah.
This is like for sure. I was confused, and then I found a lot of options.
35 minutes in the toilet?
Yeah.
That's why you were late.
Look this. I will show you the picture.
We call this is bidet.
I open YouTube to check how to use this one.
So it's first time.
I use this.
Yeah.
Yeah. Some country they don't use water, so I take bottle with me.
Yeah, like.
Yeah.
But that one also good. I want to bring to Korea.
Which one? The water.
The S
Yeah.
hose. 와, 사람 엄청 많다. 고구마 왜 이렇게 많아? 아, 느낌 있다. 이렇게 조리가 안 된 거를 먹는 게 조금 낫을 거예요. This one also famous, the mixed rice.
I like the egg, the smell of the egg, the touch.
You can separate, make it small, and put it with the sauce.
Okay.
Yeah, you do well.
I'm good.
Yeah.
Wow.
Like Korean pizza.
Wow.
It's good?
Good. I will look for this every day.
Yeah. How about kimchi?
Spicy, huh?
Spicy?
Mm.
Ah, okay.
But I love spicy. This one, until now, this is the best thing I tried. All of them together.
너 이런 말 안 되는데 잘못한 거야.
Know this? This is good for dick. This green vegetable, good for dick. Good for penis. Yeah, good.
I will try. Now I'm professional. After 2 days, see?
So which one is better? 고추전 or 김치전?
This one and the green one.
Yeah.
I think it's good combination to mix together.
Okay, now we're gonna go to the beef bone soup.
The which one?
We will eat beef bone soup.
Beef bone soup.
Yeah, old restaurant.
Yeah.
Yeah,
All the restaurant?
Yeah, all the
Oh,
restaurant.
good. I'm happy now.
almost 100.
100 year?
Yeah.
Wow.
야, 색깔 죽인다. 약간 애매한데 반응이. How was it?
Good.
You sure?
Yeah. But I need salt only.
Ah,
Yeah. This one not pork, man.
beef. Beef. Don't worry, I will let you know if we will try.
Yeah.
Okay, now we are in Insadong. Here is traditional street. You can see traditional things,
Yeah.
clothes, tea, and something. And the special thing is here is all Korean. Even Starbucks they put Korean, no English. I will show you Starbucks. Starbucks is here.
Everything
Yeah,
is
yeah, yeah,
Korean.
yeah.
Yeah, right. You don't have even one letter in English.
No English.
now.
Yeah.
돌돌돌돌돌 말아주면은 완성. 이렇게 써 드시면 됩니다. 참고로 보관이 한 달 가져가셔도 돼요.
واو. تمشيش تجي الليل تاخذ العود وتبدا تعمل فيها الشارع كامل.
베린 이런 게 신기한가 봐요. 이런 거. 페트병 넣으면은 돈을 돌려주고 하는 거.
معناها جوست توقع حطها كل شيء وتربح فلوس. الحاجات اللي باش تلاحظهم قدام الريستورانات ولا في الريستورانات كونه يعطيك البلا بالبلاستيك اغزر قولش عليه بالرسمي.
저희 한국 친구랑 그리고 또 그저께 태국 친구가 여기 한국을 방문했대요. 그래서 다 같이 저녁 먹으면서 놀려고 나왔습니다.
Hi, how are you? Good? Thank you so much.
Good.
Thanks.
This is
Nice to meet you.
Mahdi.
Nice to meet you too.
So call me Daniel.
Daniel?
His English name.
Yeah, Daniel. Like you have also
Yeah.
You know the Mokko Jukja?
Boko Jogja? Number one. I don't know. I
It
don't
means
know.
eat and die. Go to die.
Eat and go to die,
Yeah, drink.
Drink,
many
yeah,
and
yeah.
go to die.
I understand.
Yeah.
we
let's
have this one
let's
also.
drink too much.
Yeah.
Let's kill ourselves.
Yeah. 오늘 밤은 메디에게 한국의 소주 맛을 보여주겠습니다. This is soju. This is Korean vodka.
Korean vodka.
Yeah, now 17%. It's not too much.
Too much. Okay.
Yeah, but less than vodka. Vodka is 40 something. But anyway, this is Korean vodka, and this is one of strongest
Let me
alcohol.
try.
Yeah. This is for mine and Korean culture. Yeah, for each other.
You make it full, huh?
Again.
Sure, yeah.
근데 이놈한테 너 막으러 가려고 야,
One shot. One shot.
어명이야.
What?
First one, finish.
개발라니까.
Me too. How's taste?
다른 애들이 훨씬
Everything is
Is this your first time? Raw fish, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
This is like,
You can try
it's
it.
not cooked, right?
You're not cook it, just cut it. And
This
it's
is the first time.
yeah. This is You can put here. This is Korean traditional chili sauce.
And also here.
Ah no, one time, one by one. It's weird. Yeah. You can tell honestly. If bad.
It's not bad.
Not bad.
But not bad.
Not no more.
But it's good. I think it's good.
Everything
Because
is-
it's the first time in my life. Maybe after a few time, I will start to like it.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, Daniel.
Yeah, long time no see.
How are you? Good.
I'm Boyo.
Yeah.
Maddie.
Maddie.
Yeah.
He's my friend. Yeah.
Where are you from?
I'm from Tunisia.
Tunisia.
Do you know it?
I heard about it.
Yeah, it's Arab country.
Yeah. From Thailand.
Yeah, nice to meet you.
This is wow. Wow, sorry.
Sean is Thailand.
yeah.
Cheers. One shot.
Ah, one shot?
It's in one shot.
The glass here inside?
Yeah.
Maybe I will drink it.
This
No.
this name is one shot.
I also like like this,
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because this name is one shot glass.
Yeah, good.